Hi everyone, my name is Shaktee Ramtohul. I'm an ACCA qualified and I have been teaching different papers of ACCA for quite some time now. I could say more than 7 years. And normally I teach papers financial accounting, management accounting, financial management, and strategic business leader in the ACCA qualification. Now, I thought I'll just talk to you about ACCA financial accounting, and that's one of the introductory papers, if you want, for the ACCA qualification. Basically, this paper teach you the fundamentals of double entry accounting system, so double entry bookkeeping. How do we go about to record the transactions? And following on from there, how you prepare a trial balance. And from the trial balance, the information will lead you to preparing basic financial statements for companies. And the financial statements would include, well, normally what you have and what you see in the press. Some companies would advertise that, especially listed companies. So you would have the statement of financial position, historically known as balance sheet, if you want. Then the statement of profit or loss and comprehensive income, a statement of changes in equity, and then a statement of cash flows. Following on from there, you would also learn how to prepare consolidated financial statements. It may happen that one company is interested to invest in another company, and this company, so let's say company A wants to invest in company B, and company A would buy, let's say, more than 50% of the shares in company B, and regulations say that normally, if that's the case, then company A would have control over company B and they would be regarded as one single entity. And if that's the case, how you consolidate those two companies and prepare one set of accounts. And finally, you would have interpretation of financial statements. Normally, when you look at the financial statements, um, people would have the tendency to believe that only profit matters, and they would base an opinion on the profit figure, which may, of course, not be the only aspect. You would have to look at other aspects, so such as liquidity, gearing, and much more. So that would be interpretation of financial statements, and you would do a little bit of ratio calculations to analyze the different set of companies. Now, if you want to pass this paper, what is the requirement? You'll be tested by a 2-hour computer-based exam where it will be divided into 35 2-mark MCQs, multiple choice questions. So based on whatever you would have learned from the syllabus content. Also, two 15 multitask questions, so longer version questions, mainly preparation of financial statements, and that would form 30 marks of the total paper. To pass the paper, obviously you need 50 marks, and you would have gone through and studied these contents here, and hopefully it's not a difficult paper provided that you do the work and you understand the different concepts. If you want to find out more, I'll be teaching this paper online. I will be leaving my email address in the description. You can get in touch and I would lead you through as to how you can study this paper with me. And my aim is to make you pass this exam comfortably. So this is a short introduction of financial accounting. I'll be doing a few more about the different subject areas, and I'll see you in the other videos.